I can dispel
Pushing
you
tunnel
soon.
5. Okay. They're coming up now.
Oh my
Well,
god.
you're gonna have to jump probably.
Yeah, just jump now, jump now.
Okay.
Everyone, go. We've got no rogue, remember.
I dispel you, Vix.
The mage already running for FR, he's gonna jump.
He's still on roof. He's jumped now. Balcony.
I see him.
I'm gonna death call him here.
Did he jump balcony? Okay, I'm coming.
Just nuke him. Just nuke him.
It might be
Can I
worth...
get a quick heal? Cheers.
Might be worth going tunnel. Yeah, go
Okay.
tunnel.
Okay.
Interrupted
Keeping that mage.
mage.
Keeping that mage.
Keep chasing
Can you
him.
get up, Mashko?
Yeah, I'm coming up.
It's fab based out in 5.
He's
Is he going to tunnel?
Bottom of their tunnel. Bottom of their tunnel.
Oh, I can't make this jump.
Front of tunnel.
Yeah, nuking. Dispelling you. Oh, my fat is fucking...
Sure, where are you?
Warriors here, the warriors here.
I'm on roof.
He's on roof, they're already back again.
To the priest.
I'm
Hit me
next.
hard.
I'm downstairs, Musho, so if you need to jump, I'm down.
I'm just wing clicking them all.
Once again.
I'm gonna jump again.
Yeah, jump.
Go. CC priest. CC priest.
Yeah, I'm CCing him. He feared me. I got silenced though.
Death call me.
Help. Yeah, help. Fast through, help.
Where are you?
Druid is
I'm here.
Fuck, I'm rocking out.
Madrox,
Grenade.
can you...
I can work helm. Helm.
Sheep in priest
Hunter?
trig.
I'm still
Hunter
rocking
rocket helm.
EFC might be dead.
EFT might die.
We're not gonna be aircraft, we're not gonna be aircraft.
Yeah, he might die. Yeah.
Got
Nice.
what?
I
We
can't.
can't.
That's too risky.
I want to die quickly.
Kill
Come on,
yourself.
fuck.
No, it's not too risky. We're spawning here. Just fucking go.
I'm scared and feared.
Is there
Still in
tunnel?
graveyard.
Tunnel. Tunnel with the priest. And a warrior.
What's the mod that's got auto res on?
Oh, Latrix.
SS PvP probably.
If we can all get in tunnel and have a mage peel,
Is
mid,
the
might be a killing.
Yeah.
I'm on balcony now.
Yeah, but why is my show run?
He just went out of the tunnel.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
I'm going.
Yeah, go.
Good job.
Got it.
I'm
Lol.
going fast attack.
There's a warlock on our balcony.
Kill Druid mid.
Yeah, just go in. Full exposed armor.
Druid is ramp.